All right, so today I actually want to cover SuccessFactors performance, and so using AI for this. So I'm navigating to performance. You can see I have a 90-day performance review for Jada Baker. I can click in here, and then this is the cool part. So if you have the data in the system, you can see that this will generate AI-powered insights, and it's going to use the data in SuccessFactors to do it, right? And so it can actually give you a very concise, summarized write up of, hey, it highlights Jada's strong communication. She contributed to the sales kickoff event. Notable achievements, right? So she helped execute SuccessFactors implementation project. And then if you look at the data referenced, it shows this came from continuous performance management, and it looked at achievements, it looked at meeting notes, and the continuous feedback. So the more you actually have that in the system, the better this is going to be. And then beyond that, it actually looked at performance management as well. It actually went through the comments on forums, the feedback provided from others, and team overview. So like I said, the key of this is the data that you have in the system is going to help make this more impactful, but it just helps write this up. And then it can even give you an action here, right, to help generate a goal, which, by the way, can also be assisted with AI. So thanks for watching, and yeah, please like, subscribe, and add any comments. Thanks.